Welcome to Nate's Studio Desk. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different and show you a video I did for Diversify Architecture. Let's take a look.
Take a second. Think about the community you live in. The buildings, the streets, the neighborhoods. Who designed it? Does it represent the people that live there or the people who built it?
Nearly every element of the built environment is the culmination of a series of decisions made by design professionals and developers.
These decision makers have the power to make the dreams of our communities a reality.
However, when they fail to represent the communities in which they work, their decisions can also uproot families, erase cultural identities, and stunt economic growth.
Architects are the principal designers of the built environment and have influence throughout the development process. Minority communities are extremely underrepresented in this field.
For decades, African Americans, Latinx, and Indigenous peoples combined have only comprised 6.8% of all licensed architects.
We are Diversify Architecture, and we are constructing a nationwide effort to inspire a new generation of minority architects,
supporting them as they learn to implement their vision for the built environment on behalf of their communities.
Partner with us as we transform the profession designing our world so that the future of our communities belongs to everyone.